The foreign exchange market, Forex, or currency market is a global decentralized or over-the-counter OTC market for trading currency. I want to believe Forex is available in all countries, but not type of Forex are available in all countries. Almost everybody believe whenever you say you are trading Forex, you are trading on MT5 or MT4. I just want you to know that Forex is just like a topic. Under Forex, we have OTC market, we have binary, we have synthetic, we have people that are trading gold assets, we have people that are trading currency. I think I listed like more than 4 like that. So under Forex, there are different aspects, and not all those aspects are available in all countries. In this video, I'm going to be talking about one, which is binary. And if you are trading binary, binary is different from Forex, even though they are using the same candlestick, but they are different. The common Forex we all know is whenever you trigger a trade, your trade will keep running till it hits take profit or stop loss. If your trade has not reached the take profit or stop loss, your trade will keep running. It can be for 30 minutes, it can be for 1 hour, it can be for 4 hours, it can be for 5 hours. And also remember, we always have swing trader, people that leave their trade running for a week. And I want to believe this type of Forex is available mostly in all countries, but binary is not available in all countries. I think binary is not available in the United States and some countries. So trading synthetic also is not available in the United States also, but it is available in my country. One of the difference that I'm going to state now is on binary, you can stake as low as 0.35 per trade, but I don't think you can stake like that on Forex. Broker like Deriv do accept 0.35 as their minimum stake on some particular assets, and on some platform like Cotex, Pocket Option, their minimum stake is $1. In this binary market, there is short-term option. There is an opportunity to make profit in a short period of time, for 1 minute, for 2 minutes, for 3 minutes, for 3 hours, for 5 hours, even for 5 seconds. It depends on the execution period you chose. So if you want to trade 5 seconds chart, like in the next 5 seconds you are going to know either you win or lose, there is on binaries. If you want to trade a chart that in the next 1 minute you are going to know if you win or lose, is available. 2 minutes is available, 3 minutes is available. And also there is one like it is per tick, per candlestick, you are going to know if you win or lose. On binary also, you can leave your trade running for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but you are going to require a lot of experience for you to leave a trade running for a week. For short term, that you are going to know if you win in the matter of 5 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, that one is what you can do daily. Another word is you can open a short-term position. Also, you can open a long-term position. On binary also, you can trade varieties of assets. You can trade commodities, you can trade stock, you can trade currency, and what again, I want to say indices. You can trade it on binary also. So on binary, if you choose to trade all these currency and indices pair, you are going to see a lot of OTC market, which is over the counter. And all these OTC market are just the previous chart that they chose to replay. They might be replaying the way chart behave last month ago today. That is what they call over the counter. But OTC market is different from live market. On live market, everybody is saying the same thing, but on OTC market, it is not the same. If you have three broker can't be showing the same thing on their OTC market. If you choose to trade with USDT/BRL, which is the Brazilian currency, if Cotex is showing one, Pocket option is going to be showing 2, Octa FX is going to be showing 3, IQ option is going to be showing 4. So they will not be showing the same thing if it is on OTC market, but if it is on live market, they are going to be showing the same thing. From my experience trading binary, I can say what you need to know on binary is just purely price action. If you know price action, you are going to be successful in trading binary, because you just have to identify the next candle. For example, on uptrend, you know, if you should see double hammer, the next candle most of the time is up, is going to go up. So if you open your position after the double hammer, you should know the next candle is going to be on uptrend. The buyer are going to win. It's not depend on how many minutes you choose. If you choose that the buyers are going to win for the next 1 minute and they won, you are going to make your profit. If you choose the buyers are going to win for the next 1 minute and they lose, you are going to lose. Also, one amazing fact is that if you choose that the buyers are going to win for the next 1 minute and the buyers are losing, and in the seconds, in 5 seconds the buyer won, you are going to win. There is nothing like stop loss or take profit on binary. They only have payout, and the maximum payout I've seen is 0.93. So if you stake $1, if you should win the trade, you are going to win 0.93. Also, on binary option, you can trigger martingale strategy, and that is where I learned about martingale strategy. You can just start your initial stake with 1, and if you lose it, you can take the next trade to be 2, your 1 times 2.3 or 2.5. Then you are going to take the trade on and on like that. I explained how to use martingale in my previous video. Check it out. This is just the simple difference that I'm going to say I noticed between binary trading and forex. You know, everything is forex, but I'm using forex because everybody is really familiar with forex. It is when you just feel like, okay, I want to learn more, and you make research on binary, and you're going to say, okay, this thing is forex, but it's just binary. So guys, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. On this channel, I post daily on how I'm growing my account. So if you miss the time that I'm trying to grow my $10 account, check it out. So by tomorrow, I'm going to resume my live trading. No, next tomorrow. Next tomorrow, because today is Saturday, and I'm going to resume my live trading, and I'm going to keep updating it. But you know, Saturday and Sunday I don't trade, so that is the reason why I just choose to enlighten some people that don't know about binary with this video. So don't forget to upload that subscribe button. Peace.